अरे मत कर ये वी आर लाइव
अरे इसको मिलाना बंद कर दे कौन किया व्हाट इज दिस यार
Now that part you have to underline some points, no? What we have already discussed. Take your book, underline that points. Longitudes, lines of longitude. Why? Yeah, lines of longitude. Take. You are also having.
page number
I'm not having your textbook with me.
page 90
Okay. Lines of longitude. A longitude is the angular distance of a place east or west of prime meridian. Underline. Next, the prime meridian is a line of longitude whose angular distance is defined as 0 degree. It passes through Greenwich near London. There are a total of 360 lines at 1 degree interval. The lines of longitude are also called meridians of longitude. Meridian is derived from the Latin word meridinium, meaning noon. See, we know that morning till 12 we used to AM and after that PM. So this is for the demarcation. Noon. Afternoon, post meridian. This one is anti-meridian. Okay, anti means before. Did you get this two?
yes
AM and PM. Now, the prime meridian is numbered as 0 degree. The others are numbered between 0 to 180 east or west. The 180 degree east and west refer to the same meridian. Understood? See, where this one is 180 and then 0, then 180 east. So this 180 from eastward and 180 from this one westward joins at the same. So the 360 degrees are the 180 eastward and 180 westward, and then they meet at the same. So because of that, there is an advantage of one day. That is when others are having 25th, they are on 24th.
in America.
Date line. There is a difference. Clear? See, it is diametrically opposite to the 0 degree longitude. The 0 and 180 degree meridian together make a full circle round the earth. Proceeding at 1 degree interval from the both east and west, other full circles will be 1 degree to 179 degree, 2 degree to 178. Are you getting this point? See 0 degree to 180 degree is the full circle. So when we are moving to 1 degree, that will come 179. When we move to 2 degrees, 178. Understood? How much is minus here? That will be there. Total is 180 degree, and when it is 1 means 179. Are you getting?
Yes.
Understood? Huh? 0 degree to 180 degree. If we are taking 1 degree here, then 179 will be left out. If we are taking 2 degrees, 178 is there. If we are taking 3 degrees, 170. 3 degrees means what? 177. Okay, this is what the connection.
One minute.
See, 0 to 180. Then from there, first degree if you move, then rest how much is coming? 179. If you move to second,
From 180.
yeah.
What is this for?
Eh?
What is this for?
What is this?
For.
4. 4.
Nine. What is this? Why is this?
Why? You just take a circle. Okay. Now the circle is starting from 0. From 0 to one side 180 degree.
180.
Okay. Now we are going to the second line. This is 1 degree. Then 1 degree to 180 degree, how much is coming?
179. Oh, travel like that.
Hmm? Did you get it clear? No? Have you got? If not, you just tell. Huh? No. Why you are always your eyes are just like a sleeping model? What time you came from school? 1 o'clock. And afterwards, what you did? Homework. You did not sleep or take a rest. Have you taken rest from? Morning what time?
I did 67 hours.
Now what time you are getting up for going to school? 6:30 you are getting up. School is?
School is 8 o'clock, but my bus comes at 7.
You people
7:30.
getting up.
Yeah.
Then what time going to school?
8 o'clock.
You also? You?
Five.
o'clock.
Sorry. What do you do? It is what?
Ma'am, can you cut
It's from 8 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Our school.
Just like 90 early morning. I don't see.
You eat powdered ghee.
No, what you will do?
Ma'am, gaming.
Roblox, Rivals.
You're playing games, no? That is why your eyes are so dull. Then yeah. That is why I asked. You are not sleeping. You should take the purpose. Then only you can learn. You are having intelligence. You are having good calculation and all. But this to be applied on the paper. Then only you will get mark. For that purpose, nice sleep should be there. What time you are going to bed? There is no fixed time. So that time also you play. No? Till the game ends, you will play. No. You have to make a fixed time. See, the brain rested. If you are not giving rest to your brain, it is broke. Then everything
You will become autistic.
what is
Autistic. Bro, कल तेरा बर्थडे था ना?
इसका
तेरा बर्थडे था ना कल? अरे नहीं कल वर्ल्ड ऑटिज्म था. इसका था.
okay? Huh? proper sleep if you are getting, you will not look like that. You may not feel. Now you will think that, मुझे जल्दी जाके करना ही करना. No. Sleep is must. We are worried about, we are not having the time to sleep. We have to do lot of work. But for you, you have only to study, no? Right? There should be a fixed time for sleep, fixed time for getting up. Nice, that is a minimum 7 to 8 hours sleep. This one game and all, no, little bit for a break. You just don't break for that much time. ISS, you are marking, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Two times, the sum total of two lines will always be 180. That is what we have seen. Then, individually, all lines of longitude are semi-circles. Okay. Now, two diametrically opposite lines make a full circle, also known as great circle.
The full circle is called
So, equator is also great circle. Then this one also, that full circle when it is making, that is also great circle. Okay. Huh?
Let's start this.
No, 2, 3, this thing, no. Okay. All meridians of longitude converge at the pole and are thus equal length.
Usually all lines of latitude are same. But then now you said that the prime meridian is the great circle. So a great circle is a full circle.
All circles are full circles. That is, meridians are full circles.
But here it is written all lines of latitude are same. All lines of latitude are same.
Latitudes.
Longitude.
Wait. The distance between two lines of longitude is maximum at the equator. The distance decreases gradually as one moves towards the poles. All meridians of longitude converge at the poles and are thus equal length. See, when it is coming to the center, what is that? All are joining. That is a circle. You can see in your that globe. You see that all that pointing towards that pole. So converge at both the poles.
The North Pole and South Pole.
North Pole and South Pole also. So when from north to south, it is but making that half that slice, not 180 degree only it is coming, not 360 degree. But when we are taking that this one 0 degree is connecting full. Both the parts. That is why from 0 to 180 east and 180 west. So that is So latitude also we see equator 0 degree, that is the great circle. This prime meridian is also
0 degree.
That is the great circle. These two are great circles. Now longitude and time. The Earth makes complete circle on its axis and covers 360 degrees in 24 hours.
And more specifically, 24 hours, 4 minutes, 0.09 seconds.
Okay. We are taking that 360 degree, it rotate in 24 hours. So because of that, we can get that is one line to the next line, it will take 4 minutes. And that it will take 15 degrees. Sorry, 1 degree, 15 minutes. 1 degree, sorry, 1 degree, 15 minutes. 1 degree means 1 line. 1 line, it takes 15 minutes. So how much distance it is there, with the help of that we can calculate. So let us see how much time it will take. You listen. That is to say, it covers every 15 degree longitude in 1 hour. 15 degree longitude. So I have told you that India. See, it is approximately 30 degrees. The distance between, both are in the east only. The distance between these two longitudes are almost 30 degrees. So 30 into 4. 4 minutes time I have told you 1 degree. 120 minutes. This is 120 minutes. That is why India is having a time difference of almost 2 hours. So we have taken a standard time, IST. India, there is a difference of about 30 degrees
From
that is west to east.
okay. Okay, extent.
Gujarat,
Andhra Pradesh.
No, Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh.
Very bad.
So the sun rises in the east, that is Arunachal Pradesh. So 2 hours earlier.
But it's very
When it is reaching to this part, there is 2 hours difference. So in order to avoid the time difference in the whole country, we have taken a standard time. That is what we call IST, Indian Standard Time.
So if it's 2 o'clock at Arunachal Pradesh, it has to be 12 noon at Gujarat.
Hmm. So that is why the place Mirzapur in UP is taken as the standard time. That is the middle latitude. Sorry, 82
The middle
and
of India.
ah,
And the middle of India is Nagpur, right?
no.
Yeah, because there is a pillar like a sign. It is a symbol of the center of India, like exactly.
See, that is north to south.
Yeah. Oh, you are talking east to west.
East to
west. Like
Okay.
that, yeah.
So that Mirzapur is considered as that 82.5 degree. You just take a 67.8 to 97.25. That middle longitude is 82.5 degree. So that when it passes, the sun passes through Mirzapur, the time of that is taken as the standard time. Understood? Yes, okay. This much is clear?
Yes.
Now, towards the west it will be 1 hour less. So, what is used for calculating that, for memorizing purpose, EGA WLS. What is EGA? East gain and means eastern part means time is increasing. East gain and west loss subtract. WLS. Okay. Now, the prime meridian together with 180 degree longitude usually divides the Earth into eastern and western hemisphere. The division holds good practically for all purpose. However, any two diametrically opposite lines can also divide the Earth into two equal hemispheres. Now, the local time of any place is obtained by the overhead sun at noon. I have told about this Arunachal Pradesh sun rises 4 o'clock. So 2 hours earlier. So when the sun is rising or sun visible at our overhead, we keep it as noon time. That is 12 o'clock. Then For each degree of longitude, the local time varies by 4 minutes. 1 degree to 4 minutes. Okay. For example, the longitude of Mumbai is 73 degree east and that of New Delhi is 77 degree east. If it is 12 noon at Mumbai, it must be 16 minutes past 12. Understood? While eastern part or towards the east add 73 in Mumbai, 77 in Delhi. So that is how many? 4. 4 into 4, 16 minutes. Did you get it? Say. This you have to be very careful. The calculation. 73 degrees is Mumbai. Okay. Both are in eastern hemisphere. Huh? Now 77 degree east is Delhi. Okay. Now, how much is the difference between this Mumbai and Delhi? 4 degrees. Huh? Now, each degree 4 minutes difference. So, what is that? 4 into 4, 16 minutes. So, between Mumbai and Delhi, 16 minutes.
4 degrees difference.
Now, what is that? It is in the eastern side. What you will do? Add. So 12 o'clock in Mumbai
It means
means
12, 16 and
12,
11.
16 at Delhi.
No, wait. 12 o'clock in Delhi, so 12, 16 in Mumbai, right?
No.
12, 16.
ये 77 आगे है ना?
हाँ.
Understood? So going towards east means it is going on adding. आपको समझ में आ गया?
हाँ.
Yes, clear? We will do some calculations based on time. Okay. That you have calculated, sorry, underlined.
Yes, which line?
That the local time. Second point.
Local time. Local time, right?
This means that there will be a huge time difference between Gujarat in the west, Assam in the east. See, we are talking only about India's west and east. Both are in the eastern hemisphere. So there is no west calculation. Okay, both are in eastern side. Every place at a different longitude will have its own local time. Okay. Yes. It is not related to our lesson. It is about navigation.
Doctor, why not?
Yeah.
Doctor, why?
हाँ
अरे दिखाई देता है, अंधा नहीं हूँ मैं.
You like Dr.
मैं हटता हूँ.
ठीक है. अभी आ रहे. अच्छा, animated. Okay. Interesting. No. Like the rule is not like the permission of the yeah. Uri. राजश्री है
ये कब से दिखा?
अरे मुझे अभी पता चला
1 second more.
7
North and direction.
ये तो हमारा ही चला।
Watch it.
You can't see the same thing.
Okay. See, this now we are going to find out that the time calculation. Okay. See, latitude is telling first, and the longitude is telling second. GMT.
Here,
Up.
yes.
What? No, that how it is dipping.
Yeah, now like the words and the moving.
Okay.
Like it's because it's the same for the breakfast person, right? The day is according to his time.
No. Here the day is starting only.
Yeah.
Here the day is.
But for him it is the like same thing.
That is what the bonus she told. So here the work is starting by the time this man goes to sleep. Understood? 1 degree. 6. Time when we are taking 6 p.m.
6 p.m. 4 minutes. Okay,
4 minutes, 1 degree.
Okay.
And then when it is taken, this one 15 degrees in one line.
Yeah, I got to see.
Understood? 15 degrees means 1 hour.
Yeah.
15 degrees, 1 hour.
पॉज करो या स्टार्ट कर मैं समझो तेरे को कुछ पूछना है मेरा
See, 360 degrees in 24 hours. That means 15 degrees 1 hour. So you just take that 90 degree to that 30 degree, na? 30 degree. So how many 15 degrees are passed? So that many hours. 1, 2, 3. Understood? That many hours are passed. 1 degree line to next degree line 4 minutes. Got it? Ah. 62. Ah. You listen. That is 15 degrees.
Any
Okay. This one is clear, no?
Please read which one.
Eh?
What was she saying? The Greenwich.
Greenwich Mean Time is the standard
She was saying
unit
something the rule.
rule.
Continue.
So What is that? See here 0 degree. Sorry. 12 o'clock. Is 0 degree, 12 o'clock. And the person is traveling towards the east. And that person is passing to 60 degree east. What time? 0 degree is this one. And 60 degree east. In between, how many degrees are coming? How many 15 degrees are coming? 4. Okay. Clear? So that 15 degrees, 15 into 4. How much? 6. That is? No. 15 fours are 60. So 4 hours difference is coming.
Yes.
So that 4 is
4 p.m.
4 p.m. Here 12 o'clock. Then 15 means 1 p.m.
4 meridians in between.
Is it clear? Then one sum I am giving. You just find out. That you just write down. It is 5:30 p.m. in India. It is 5:30 p.m. in India when Prime Minister's radio broadcast. PM's radio broadcast made from Montreal in Canada. Find out the time at Montreal. Okay. So you have to find out Montreal in Canada is 74 degree west.
Well, that will be given in the exam or?
It is given in the exercise that I think.
No,
that
if we get this kind of question in the
Ah.
exam, will it be given or what?
Sometimes that degrees will be given.
Degree. Sometimes, then what? If it's from
If degrees are given, then you can find out. Otherwise, degrees are not given, you cannot find out. So degrees may be given. School ka question ka pattern I don't know. Na, that is. Okay. What is that? 74 degree west. Time in India. What is the Indian time? 5:30 p.m. Are you listening?
yes, ma'am.
Then, what is that place, location of India? Ahead of
5 hours per day.
5 hours 30 minutes. That is what Greenwich say ahead. Now, when you are going to that western side, it has to cross that 0 degree meridian.
Yeah.
That is, you see that 12 hours noon at Greenwich. Montreal time difference with respect to Greenwich mean time is how many? 74 into 4. Understood? 74 degrees means 74 into 4. No. 74 into 4. That is 296 minutes. When 296 that is converted into hours, you just convert into hours. Minute, how you can convert into hours?
In multiply by 60. Divided by 6.
Divided.
Oh,
Okay. 4 hours 56 minutes. Okay. So what is the time? 12 hours minus 4 hours, 56 minutes. That would be the time of Montreal. Did you get it? Say, what is the time of India? 5:30 p.m. 5:30 p.m. is ahead. Now, here that the speech is given, that is telecasted, and it has to be telecasted in the west, that is 74 degree. So, then west of that is 0 degree is Montreal. Montreal in Canada. Okay, 74 into 4. How much is coming? 296. So that shows how many hours. You just calculated it.
Yes. 74.
If you are playing, I will take away your pen and throw.
296.
296. How many hours?
Minutes, right?
This is minute.
This is minutes, 500 hours.
You are having that mental calculation, no? You are good in Vedic maths. Then how you are? 296 minutes convert into hours. How many minutes are constituted in 1 hour?
Ma'am, 2 hours 56 minutes. कब बोला है? मैंने बोला
2 hour or 4 hour?
4 1 hour 4 hour 4 hour 56. अरे मैं 120
See, what we have to 20 2 hour 4 hour. See, you see that 296 divided by 60. Okay. 240. Then balance is 56. So 4 hour 56 minutes. That will go minus or plus.
What? This minus.
The 12 hours से minus करने का. So 12 hour is there in the 0 degree. Understood? उधर से कम करेगा तो what will be the time?
7 hours 4 p.m. PM or AM, I don't know. Yeah, PM. Right. 7 hours 4 minutes. AM or PM?
AM only coming, no?
AM.
We are having PM, no?
Yeah.
Here PM, that meeting is that 5:30 PM. So this one is AM. 12 o'clock noon.
No, I didn't heard that. The PM or AM.
So this one is that is his speech is telecasted at 5:30 PM. What would be the time of Montreal? That is what we have to find out. If this one is there, then 12 o'clock say 4 hour 56 minutes minus करके what we are getting is AM. It's early morning in Montreal when it is evening in India. Evening, no? It is not afternoon. 5:30.
Oh, this, okay.
Got it? Yeah. So one question textbook only. I think that question is there, no?
Yes.
Shortage
answer.
10 minutes. Breaking out. You just do and come the next one without seeing.
Have to, like, one has homework.
Huh?
Homework.
Homework.
Anyone from this section.
Hmm.
Anyone.
Anyone.
Fishing.
Okay. No?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt is there? No.
Or shall I history?
Interesting or not?
Yeah.
You're a bad person.